Hello my dear students, welcome back to your English class. So students, today we will do your Conquer English course book. So all of you open this book and we will start from chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 we will start. In this book, second chapter is Dad Bakes a Lemon Cake. So students, Dad bakes a lemon cake. So as the title suggests you, this chapter is all about baking of cake, and who has baked it? It is baked by Dad. So let's see what has happened in the chapter. So you can read this line. A kitchen can sometimes be the heart of a home, especially when Dad's the cook. So let's see what has been happened in this chapter. Now, don't get me wrong, Dad is an excellent cook. He can cook up a delicious rajma and pea pulao to go with it. His tandoori chicken is to die for, and he can even make a pizza from scratch with all the toppings of our choice. But, and I repeat, I am not being nasty to Dad or speaking about him behind his back, but when we hear the words, I feel like cooking today, we all take off in different directions. So here the writer is sharing his own life incident with all of us, and what he is doing in the beginning, he is appreciating the cooking of his dad. He is saying that his dad is an excellent cook and he cooks very delicious dishes like rajma and pea pulao. And when he cooks tandoori chicken, he really loves to eat it. Even he is a very good pizza maker, means he bake the pizza in a very good way. But one more thing he is adding over here is that I know that I am saying something bad. Nasty means bad. I am saying something bad about dad and speaking behind his back. What is he saying? That whenever they hear the word, what? The words of Dad. What are the words? I feel like cooking today. Means when the dad says he feel like cooking today, then all the family members goes in different directions. Why? Let's see. Of course, that doesn't mean we are free to enjoy a Sunday morning in any way we please. For soon there are urgent calls from the kitchen. Karan, can you come here for a minute? Or Riya, I need some help. And then like obedient children, we creep into the kitchen carefully. So that, of course, Dad loves to cook on Sunday, especially because that is the day of a holiday. So all the family members are there at home. So Karan is the writer of the story and he is the son, and Riya is the daughter of the father. So Karan and Riya are siblings, and he starts calling out their names. Karan and Riya, just come here for a minute and start helping me. And we creep into the kitchen carefully. Then the children have to come to the kitchen, though they do not want to come, but they have to because it is a call of a dad. The whole experience of being in the kitchen with Dad is fraught with danger. And he is also saying that the experience that they get when they are with Dad is full of danger. Why it is full of danger? There are always the chance of there being a slippery piece of onion on the floor or a small pool of water near the sink when Dad is at work. So what happened? So many things are lying here and there. Some pieces of onion are lying on the floor, so anybody can be slipped from that, and water is collected near the sink. And when all these things happen, when the dad is at work. I have had the uncomfortable experience of slipping and sliding straight into the kitchen counter in just such a pool. So in fact the narrator of the story, who is Karan, he himself had such kind of uncomfortable experience when he got slipped into the kitchen counter because of water that was lying on the floor. So when at breakfast one day, Dad announced, "Right, I am going to try my hand at baking today. So, what's to be? A lemon cake or baked vegetable with white sauce? We got up and prepared ourselves to leave the room as hastily as possible. So, one day, what Dad announced? He announced that he was going to cook either a lemon cake or baked vegetables. So, he was asking for a choice of others what they all would like to have for the breakfast. So, all family members prepared themselves to leave the room as early as possible because they did not want to engage themselves in the cooking with Daddy. Grandma sighed and said, I have to finish that pullover I am knitting. And Grandma said first that she had to finish that pullover that she was knitting at that time. Not waiting for an answer, she walked out briskly to look for the unfinished pullover and a comfortable chair. And without saying even a single word, she just left out the room. Grandpa had already left to meet his friends at the park, so he was not there to comment. Grandpa was already out of home and he has gone to meet his friends. Ria got up and said, I have some homework to do. Mummy just smiled patiently in a long suffering manner. Ria also made an excuse and she said, I have lots of homework to do. Only Mummy was left with father and she smiled in a very long suffering manner. Now Dad turned to me. So Karan, it's the two men today. You and I. So who was left over there? Karan. So Dad said, okay Karan, get ready. We both, the two men of the house, are going to cook the food. Now there was no way of getting out of it. So I just nodded, unsure of what I should say. Out of the window went my plans of reading the new book I would got from the library. So Karan, he just nodded and he said what to do. Now there was only one option left with him, and that was to help his father. So, but what was his planning on that Sunday? He was planning to read a new book that he has got from the library. But as Dad has ordered him, so he was ready to help him out. After much discussion, a look at the larder and peep into the fridge, we decided that it was to be the lemon cake. So when Karan looked into the fridge, what he found? He found that few things are available in the fridge and they were ready to bake a lemon cake. Of course, Dad plans to begin the task at hand immediately was vetoed by Mummy. We were unceremoniously asked to vacate the premises and were allowed into the kitchen once again after Mummy had cleared the breakfast dishes away. So before they all start the cake, they all have had their breakfast, and what Mummy asked them to do, so she asked them first she would clean her kitchen, then only they will allowed to enter in the kitchen, and then they would continue with their baking of a lemon cake. Students, I am explaining till here. Now I will continue this chapter in my next video, or you can, if you have any doubts or query, you can ask your doubts or your queries during your online classes. Goodbye. Have a nice day.